This is Power BI. This is a very powerful and amazing tool that you can use to create great visualizations, right? So here is a data pane, here is a visualization pane, here is a filter pane. So we import our data like from here, like Excel, and I picked my data from here. Like this is Superstore CS. We open, and then because I already imported my data, so I will not import it again. So here you can see I have my data set, which is Superstore data. We have many columns. I can show you here my table, how it looks like. So there's a complete stored details like order ID, ship date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, and so many things. So let's go to build over today's visualizations, which is a pie chart and a donut chart. So from the visualization pane, we will select the pie chart and the visualization chart. So let's start with the pie chart. Okay, so you can see this is the pie chart you will get, and this is a donut chart. No, but it's getting wrong. We want a pie chart, so I can show you the comparison of both of the pie chart and donut charts, right? So as you can see here, it shows slices like the big slice, small, small, and small, and here you can see a kind of donut, So let me tell you what is the difference between both of them. It just pie chart is show the categories. For example, let me pick a category in this category. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, so it's a category, and we will see how many order will lie in a certain category. So you can see the major orders come in office supplies, the other comes in the furniture, and the other in the technology. So cost there is less categories, office supplies, furniture, and technologies. So we will use the bar chart over here. Otherwise, we will use the bar chart or funnel or something else, or maybe tree map. We will discuss that in another video. Okay, so here is our pie chart, which is still empty, waiting for our work. So let me show you the subcategory, and we will put the subcategory chart. As you can see, there is this pie chart, 3 slices. You can see subcategories, and we will place again the order ID, so it will count all the orders. Okay, so this is your pie chart, this is your pie chart, and this is your donut chart. Okay, so let me check if the both are synchronized together or not. Let me just make it bigger so you can watch it clearly. Okay, so if I select the office furniture supplies, you can see they both are synced to each other. They highlighted what comes in the office supplies, like the one. Okay, let me highlight it. It's just getting darker. It's just getting. And let's see what it show in the pie chart. Okay, we can filter it more, but for now, I think it's enough. The darker colors show that these are the office supplies, and these are the lighter colors which show which is not the office supplies. So let's click on the technology section. So see, a lot of getting lighter, and just this one is getting darker. So these are our pie chart and donut chart. And yeah, we can use a text box over here so we can give name to our visualization. So let's create a text which beautify this as well. So let's start over. Pie chart and the donut chart. Data visualization. Super bigger. I think it's going to be a bit bigger. Okay, so that's great. We can change the font style, but I like it as it is. So as you can see now, over four charts which are parallel to each other, that's look amazing. We can play around with the pie chart and Gantt chart properties from here. As you can see, here is the build visual. As you can see, here is the formative visual. Formative visuals mean you can add multiple things. Like in journal, you can add title, which is you can give the title, category, major categories. You can say major categories. Okay, so I think there is a spell mistake. Okay, so that's fine, and we can bold over. As you can see, it's changing and it's not changing. So we can make it headline 2, so it's getting bigger in the size, and we can give it a color as well. But I think the black is cool, but if you want you can give another color, but for me the black is fine. Black is good, and you can put it in the center, the right, the left corner. And there are so many like effects which I want to put, like the background effects, for example. I want to back, but that's not look very, you know, no, I don't like it out. So you can give your effects as well. Here you can want the backgrounds, the transparency. Here's the visual borders. As you can see, this the borders over here, but I don't think so that will add any value. So this is my visualizations. You can explore it a lot. There's a lot of things that you will learn, like data labels, rotations, and you can rotate, like as you can see, it's rotating. But I don't think so that we need at this time. So this is my today's visualizations. So let's stop.